Ayan na, may kulot na. Surprise! Happy birthday! Surprise!
Ayan, Sir Jerome, meet your fans club. Ayan po, ma'am, pwede na po kayong bumalik sa inyong
I cannot be there in person, but thank you to Tim that made this all possible. And yeah, as you know, I always support and I will continue to do that. Not because you're the clone of Elvis, because you're not a clone. You are Jerome, and for me, you are one of the best artists that I ever saw. And like I said in my reactions, you will be a star. And if I can give like a little hand, I will do all my best. Not always, but every damn time. I'm gonna be next to you. Again, happy birthday, and prepare because you're gonna be a star. Mark my words.
I can't hear
to let you know, first of all, happy birthday. It's an honor to be.
Thank you very much, Alex.
Be there in person.
Para bigyan ka.
your candles.
Entrance. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Damit.
Back end.
Ay, ang cute.
Yeah, oh, cute.
For my
Nakakala kay Andre daw. Oh, makikita niyo yung susunod niyo yung sa Itbulaga. Sa Sunday daw, isusuot niyo yung Saturday. Sir Jerome, dapat daw nakita nila yung Saturday.
Bakit wala naman please? Wala ako dito ngayon. Wala ako kayo. For all the support. Not just for me, but for all the other films. Eh, ganun po talaga ang pinopromote ko. Hindi lang ako supportahan niyo, kundi ba kayo. Hindi ba kung tayo please? Kasi sa amin walang magkakalaban. Lahat kami magkakainin. Thank you very much. Thank you. And God bless you all po lahat. Thank you very much for you all. And thank you sa surprise party na ginawa niyo. Especially ang nag-organize. Ito sa mga nag-organize ng Happy Girls.
Touched my heart so much. This group of young boys are so talented, are very humble, and I like them all of them. Mga apo ko na po ito lahat na ito. Kaya pakisaya niyo. Salamat po ng maraming sa inyo. At sana meron pa rin mamarantang pagkakataon na we will see each other.